So today we're going to go over the last two pages of our review, pages 691 and 692. All right, let's start with number 13. Marcus bought some postcards. Each postcard had a perimeter of 16 inches, which could be one of the postcards Marcus bought. Mark all that apply. So remember that if I'm talking about the inside of a shape, that's the A area. But if I want to know the outside of a shape, the measurement of the outside, that is perimeter. So I need to find the perimeter of all four shapes. So it has to be a perimeter of 16. Let's look at A. Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So yes, A could be one of the postcards. B, I know that I'm going to do it this way. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 is not a perimeter of 16 inches, so not B. How about C? Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. Can't be C. How about D? I know 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So yes, it could be also D. So the answers for 13 are A and D. All right, let's look at number 14. Anthony wants to make two different rectangular flower beds, each with an area of 24 square feet. He will build a wooden frame around each flower bed. The flower beds will have side lanes that are whole numbers. Each unit square on the grid below is 1 square foot. Draw two possible flower beds and then label each with a letter. So let's see. So I need to make two different flower beds that have an area of 24. So I need to think, what times what will get me 24? Well, I could do, actually, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So I could actually make a flower bed or garden that's 8 by 3. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. I think that's 8. So I have one side is 8, one side is 3. So the area of this is a flower bed A is 24. How about another one? What about if I do, I could do I know that 2 times 12 is 24. So I can make another flower bed that's 2 by 12. So I would do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not sure if this is exact because the squares are tiny, but my next flower bed will be 2 by 12, and this is B, flower bed B. Okay. So then part B says, which of the flower beds will take more wood to frame? That means that's the perimeter. I want to know how much on the outside will it take. Well, for flower bed A, I will need 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. So I know 8 plus 8 is 16, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So I know that 16 plus 6, that will be 22. I can even check here. 6 plus 6, 12, carry the 1, and 22. All right, what about flower bed B? How much will I need to cover around it or to make a frame around it? So I know that I have two sides that are 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. Plus, I have a side with 2 plus another 2, which is 4. So I know that 24 plus 4 is 28 units. So it says, which will take more to frame? It's obviously going to be B, because 28 is greater than 22. So B, this is mine. Actually, yours probably will be a little bit different, but this is my answer. Your answer may be different, but whichever has the larger perimeter is the one that will take more to frame. All right, let's try the next page. Okay, number 15. Keisha, a little dot here. Okay, Keisha draws a sketch of her living room on grid paper. Each unit square is 1 square meter. Write and solve a multiplication equation that can be used to find the area of the living room in square units. So I know that in order to find the area, I have to multiply the length times the width. So what I will do is I know this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is 4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side is 10. So to find the area, I need to do 4 times 10, or you can even do 10 times 4, and the answer is 40. So the area of her living room sketch is 40 square meter. 40 square meters. Okay, the last one. Mr. Wicks designs houses. He uses grid paper to plan a new house design. The kitchen will have an area between 70 and 85. So I'm going to put K for kitchen. It needs to have an area between 70 and 85 square feet. And the pantry, P is for pantry. That's like a little closet where you keep your cans and your goods, your chips or things that don't need to be refrigerated. So the pantry will have an area between 4 and 15. So 4 and 15. So when I make my drawing, it says draw and label a diagram to show what Mr. Wicks could design. Explain how to find the total area. So I'm just going to make it easy for myself. And I'm going to have my kitchen is going to be, and I'm not going to, it might not be exact because the squares are small, but I'll label my sides for you. So I'm going to make my kitchen be 7 by 10 because I know 10 times 7 is 70. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. And then I'm going to have the side be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, I don't know if it's exact because the squares are small. You can do a better job. So this is 10 by 7. This is K. This is my kitchen. Okay? So I know my kitchen. Oops. Make this a little better. And again, yours most likely will be different, but this is one possible example. So I know my kitchen has an area of 10 times 7, which is 70. So it's 70 square units. That's my kitchen. Now, how about my pantry? It has to be between 4 and 15. So I'm just going to pick 10. So I have a lot of food. So I'll do 1, and I'm going to attach it because this is my pantry, which is actually should be part of your kitchen. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. It has to be a area of, I said 10. So it's going to have to be 5 by 2 because 5 times 2 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, I'll put this as P for pantry. It is actually a length of 5 width of 2. So I know my pantry, the area is 5 times 2, which is 10. To find the total area of my kitchen and pantry, I have to add 70 plus 10, which equals 80. So my kitchen and pantry together, the total area is 80 square feet. Okay, again, yours most likely will be different, but here is one example.